Welcome to the channel. Ever dreamed of turning your binge gaming sessions into cold hard cash? Well, today is your lucky day because this video is just not a guide. It's an immersive journey into a groundbreaking strategy that could potentially earn you an impressive $600 per day. Yes, you have heard it right, and you're probably wondering what is the method here. It is as simple as indulging in something you likely do every single day, which is playing games or watching videos. This beginner-friendly approach requires no upfront investment and it is accessible globally. If you are intrigued, stick around as we delve into all the specific details. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any money-making hacks from us. This way, you will be able to maximize how you earn money. Imagine this: your mobile phone and internet connection equals to a pocket full of cash. If you are curious, I will guide you through a 3-step process that is as simple as grabbing your phone. If you are thinking of dismissing this as another online hustle, just wait a minute. Your mobile phone becomes the gateway to unlocking $600 a day. But how? Stay tuned as we dive into the first step. And remember, it is simpler than you think. Now, before we get into it, just drop a quick comment with your age and the online income you're aiming for the end of 2024. This will help me understand your perspective better and make sure my upcoming videos are spot on for you. So share your age and passive income goal down below. The first step is straightforward. You're going to need your mobile phone or any device you have got. This method is versatile and can be done either on your phone or your computer. In step 2, all you need to do is click on the games that they have provided for you and follow the instructions. You can earn $2 to $3 with each game that you play. Imagine if you play around 20 games, you could earn $60 per day. The best thing about this website is that the withdrawal amount is as low as $1. When your earnings hit $1 or $2, you have the option to cash out seamlessly using PayPal. To proceed, simply scroll down and click on where it says PayPal. The cash out process is simple and a breeze, making sure your hard-earned dollars are in your hands as soon as possible. You get to earn cash just from completing simple activities anywhere in any country. This is 100% free. You don't need to pay for anything. Stay tuned because in a bit we'll be introducing this platform so you can start earning the cash that awaits you. Now, this earning potential is not just about playing games. There are other ways you can make money with this website. For example, you can watch videos or take surveys. Now I want to introduce you to the platform that's turning gamers into earners. Let me guide you through. To get started, head to this website called Grab Points. This site is 100% free, requiring no upfront investment. You can earn money by watching videos, taking surveys, or playing games. The way this website works is that when you get points, you will get money. For example, if you want to get $1, you need to make 1,000 points. But don't worry, to get 1,000 points is very easy. For example, here they're telling you when you complete your demographics, you're going to get 500 points. And with 500 points, you're going to get $1.85 just by simply completing demographics. The next way you will get free money is by completing your address, birth date, gender, and phone number to see survey opportunities and then get $1.36 for free. And then slowly you will get the opportunity to unlock all of these other offers. And we still haven't even scrolled down to see other ways to make money on this website. When you scroll down, you see the feature offers. The first offer says earn $1.22 by simply playing the game. And they have several other offers for you to make money by just simply playing games. And if you're not interested in downloading apps or playing games, then they have other offers such as watching videos or completing surveys. Now let's go to the withdrawal part. Hit on the button that says rewards, and you'll see here it says you need 1,000 points to redeem your first reward. Even if you are not interested in playing games or watching videos, when you simply complete the demographic questions or complete your address, birth date, and gender, you will get free 1,000 points. Now click on where it says PayPal. Once you click on it, you will see that you can redeem $1 for 1,000 points, $2 for 2,000 points, and such on. And that's it. That's how you're going to get free money by doing nothing. And don't forget that this is available worldwide to everyone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm aiming for 100 likes, and if we hit that goal, I will drop another video next week to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home, and it is accessible to everyone. I encourage you to go right now and simply put the information to get that free 1000 points and tell me if it worked for you.